Now the alignment of LTP ducts are being done, and accordingly the clamps are being fixed. The most critical part for LTP welding is the alignment of ducts. These both the pieces has to be in line. And here is Mr. Pankaj Pal, who is going to perform this operation, and he is very good at it. The entire pipe is supported on trolleys, so if we need to change any of the alignment issues, we can just move the trolley and make the pipe in line altogether. Clamping, this tightening of nut is being done to make the proper face-to-face alignment of two pipes. Make sure that both the faces of the pipe is in line before commencing of the process. Now, as per it seems that it has been aligned. Now we'll check the moving pressure. We'll check the moving pressure now. It's somewhere around 9 bar. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. वीडियो बनाते रहना. So we are placing the cutter now to make the proper faces of both the pipes. Trimming process has been started, and cutting of all the pipe is going on. Now we see the plane strip here. So the process is complete. The trimming has been done. Now we'll do the dry matching of both the pipe before putting the heating plate, and we can see that the pipe is in line correctly. It's all good. Once the pipe has been trimmed to the proper faces, then the cleaning of the faces, both the faces, has to be done to make sure there will be no ambiguity while welding, and the cleaning process is done. Now we will place the heating plate to heat the pipe. So this is the temperature, 222 degrees Celsius, and now it is there for 10 minutes for stability of heating plate. Now we'll use the heating plate to heat the both ends of the pipe. The heating plate is being placed for heating.
अभी प्लेट गर्म है, हाथ लगाए अभी गर्म होगा ना. 230 एक मिनट रुकना.
About to heat the
220 डिग्री बन के गर्म हो जाता है
both the pipes, and once our operation will be commenced, we will heat the pipe up to 97 seconds, as the thickness of the pipe is 9.7 mm. So basically, as per our manual, 10 seconds per mm is to be done, and this stopwatch is going on, and it will go up to 97 seconds, and then we'll remove the heating plate to get the joining force for this pressure. So the stopwatch is going on, and heating of both the pipe ends is in progress. And while heating, you can see that there is beading has been started throughout the pipe in round shape, which is the visual checking parameter for. So this beading is being formed here as per our heating, and here comes the time. We have reached 60 seconds now. Once it reaches the 97 second, we will remove the heating plate and join this both ends of the pipe.
97 सेकंड हो गया ना 75 76 77 अरे 90 सेकंड कर देना अभी नहीं 98 मिनट
So it's 96, 91, 92, 94. So we are joining it now, and you can see this bed formation. This is perfectly fine, and I will like to show you the pressure over here. That is 16 bars. So our moving pressure was 8 bar, and now we have joined it as per cross section of the pipes. We have to add 7 bars here,
बाद निकाल देंगे
and this is the profile of weld bead. This is the perfect bead we have achieved here.
कितना
Visually we can see
बार कितना प्रेशर कितना बार अप्लाई किया 16 केजी दिया ना सर 16 केजी
16 bar.
16 बार केजी 16 बार कैसे मतलब
Here is the dial gauge.
कैसे कैलकुलेट